And the starter has called the Pacers anyway. Field of 5 lined up, 30,000 on the line. The gate is rolling. And they're off. Oh My Bill. Way well from along the inside. Caribbean Treasure is fired up from the far outside. KZ Beach Girl thought about leaving, but now takes back a bit as Diligent Prospect is away well from along the inside as they race into the opening turn. And Oh My Bill, the favorite, takes the early lead. Caribbean Treasure continues on, still parked to the outside second. Diligent Prospect along the inside third. So Nice came away racing in fourth in front of KZ Beach Girl as they continue to tussle for position through an opening quarter of 27-2. And Caribbean Treasure continues to apply pressure to the 2-5 favorite Oh My Bill. Diligent Prospect just off the top pair in third. So Nice remains along the inside fourth. And it's 2 back to KZ Beach Girl, about 5 lengths off the early lead as they race towards the half. And it's Oh My Bill still there along the inside. Last week's winner has control. Caribbean Treasure, a tough trip here in the small field. She remains parked through the opening half, 55 flat. Diligent Prospect along the inside third. So Nice remains in fourth. KZ Beach Girl continues to trail. So the 4 Daughters of Ponder, 1 through 4 here, as they move on to the far turn with 3/8 of a mile to go. And an Oh My Bill remains on the lead. Caribbean Treasure begins to backtrack now on the outside in second. Diligent Prospect saves ground third. So Nice from along the inside fourth, and KZ Beach Girl continues to trail the pack off 3/4 in 1:23.4. And Oh My Bill stretched out to a 2-length lead at the head of the lane. Diligent Prospect from along the inside second. So Nice now moves to the center of the track in third. But as they hit mid-stretch, Oh My Bill has opened up to a 3-length lead. So Nice, though, rallies out in the center of the track. Diligent Prospect third. As they come to the line, it's Oh My Bill. So Nice on the outside. So Nice sprints by to win it from Oh My Bill. KZ Beach Girl finished third. Diligent Prospect was fourth. 152-2. Oh My